Hi everyone, I am Deepak Kosik and welcome to Core Value Advisory, your dedicated space for investment banking, valuation insights, equity research, and real world financial analysis. Today we are starting strong with one of the most talked about IPO in India's fintech space. Let's break down what's really happening with the PhonePe's IPO. Backed by Flipkart and Flipkart is owned by Walmart. PhonePe is now prepping for its long anticipated debut on Indian stock exchange. Company is reportedly eyeing a raise over 18,000 crore rupees with a valuation that recently touched $12 billion. The funds are expected to go towards UPI infrastructure expansion and deeper plays in insurance, lending, and wealth management. Now let's simplify what PhonePe actually does. It started as a UPI payments platform, but today it is a full stack fintech player in payments, bill pay, recharge, plus newer services like digital gold, mutual funds, and even small ticket loans via partners. But what about revenue? It comes from merchant fees, financial product distribution, and platform monetizations. Some facts to note: over 50 crore registered users, dominates with over 45% UPI market share. Previous year revenue hit 2800 crore, that's up from 1646 crore last year. But why still in the red? Net losses around 1500 to 1700 crore. This is not unusual for a growth focused tech player, but it is something we will revisit when we do valuation. So why IPO now? PhonePe has already relocated its headquarters from Singapore to India, clearing a major hurdle for IPO eligibility and to enjoy the benefit of the booming digital finance wave in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Expansion into insurtech, wealth, and credit. In India, appetite for tech IPOs post Zomato, Nykaa, and Paytm. It's a strategic move with big ambitions. Now, this video was all about facts, no buy or sell views, not yet. Because in next episode, we will go deeper with a full valuation breakdown, a mini pitch book, and a sharp comparison with peers using trading comps and DCF model, just like in a real investment banking decks. So, if you are into serious finance, like and subscribe and stay locked into core value. I am Deepak Kosik. See you in the next one. Thank you.